We are at Plus Social Good, and here we have Dr. Datar, who is a gynecologist, and he's also the founder of a Patients Alliance, an NGO that looks at improving medical conditions in India. So I'd ask Dr. Datar to first of all explain to us what this alliance is about.
Well, the NGO's name is Patient Safety Alliance, and which works on empowering patients as well as supporting healthcare professionals to prevent medical errors. Yeah. So basically, what we do is that we want to spread blame-free culture. We want to spread the message that we all are human beings. Healthcare is a risky business, so each one of us has our responsibilities to fulfill. And if we understand it rightly, then we will get it correctly, and we will have a less erroneous kind of a medical treatment.
What kind of errors are you talking about, doctor?
Okay, this is something which is very interesting, really speaking. There is enough of material in the world. WHO, typically speaking, says that the 7th common cause because of which people in this world die is unintended medical errors. Yeah, so they have a separate department called World Alliance for Patient Safety. Yeah, at the WHO, and we realized that there's nobody who was working on this particular concept, particularly in India, where the burden of this problem is going to be much higher. Yeah, so we started working on it. On one hand, we want to work with patients. On the other hand, we also want to work with healthcare providers, making them aware, yeah, and bring a change to the society.
What kind of ways can technology be used, doctor, to solve this problem? Because patients in India, and particularly in rural areas, so how can you use technology to improve the culture?
Yeah, I think it's a very valid point because technology has a far-reaching kind of a situation, really speaking. And I'll give you 2 examples what we have done, really speaking. One of them is that we have created some original Hindi films around this particular concept. So one of them is already up onto the YouTube. Probably that may be the only Hindi film on that subject, called as Medication Error. Yeah, which captures errors right from wrong prescription, bad handwriting onwards to how patients store medicines at home. We have done a survey which says that most of the patients store their medicines in kitchen and next to oven, where most of the medications have an instruction that they should be stored at dry and cool place. Yeah, so that's one example. Second example is, actually speaking, we are launching today itself in the afternoon a small computer application called as Safe Prescription, which will help doctors give prescriptions in error-free manner. And most interesting part of the innovation is that the doctor will be able to give instructions in any of the Indian languages to the patients, so that one tablet 3 times a day will get converted into a Bengali language if at all the patient is Bengali, and even if I don't understand or write Bengali.